Hey, YouTube! So, I contacted my company. I told them, look, I'm going to sit here. The road conditions are kind of bad. I got a CB. So important to have a CB, because if the roads are bad and you don't have a CB and you can't ask, you're going to pull out of the parking spot. You're going to try to get on the road. You're going to find out you can't get on the road, and you're going to be turning around trying to get into parking again, and you might get stuck with having to pay for parking. So really good. I could grab the CB, be like, hey, road check, and I could reach out several miles and find out what's going on. Now, over where I'm at, which is Erie, Pennsylvania, we received a lot of snow, and I mean a lot. They've plowed this road here in front of me. I'll show you here in a second. But they have not salted it. So you're gonna see what the road looks like just plowed. It's hard packed snow. Anyway, let's take a look, guys. So this is what I saw when I got up. Now, you can see that is hard packed and it turned to ice. You kind of see how thick the snow is over there. Let me zoom in. So that's pretty thick. You could also see the tractor that was plowing that came through here. For some reason he missed that spot right there. So it's pretty darn snowy out there. The roads are not exactly drivable. I have over 1,000 miles to go, and the roads are very, they're not pretty. So let's take a look outside. And I'm in a t-shirt right now, so we're not gonna go too far. So, you can see the snow came up to my first step. And this snow is really powdery and blowing. Alright, it's cold. Okay, part of the reason why I want to show you the snow is really powdery. You get something called snow drifts. And with the wind, it's not real bad, but the wind does blow the snow and it will build up on the road. And you'll be going down the road, and let's say the road is fantastic, okay? It's plowed, it's been salted, and you got good traction. You're going down the road, you go around a turn, and then boom, there's a big old snow drift. You're gonna hit it like a, you're gonna hit it. It's not pretty when you hit them. I've not hit a snowdrift yet, so I don't know what to tell you on how it is, but I know from what a lot of other drivers have told me. When you are in a new place kind of like this, ask other drivers. Ask them, hey, what from what? Oh, and the other reason why trucking is, for me, is not good right now, you would think having a light trailer would be good. No, you actually want a heavy trailer. My trailer weighs 5,000 pounds, or I got 5,000 in a box. So the bad part of that is if I get on any ice, and I mean very little, and there's a wind, or a truck driving by me, or anything, it could literally blow my truck sideways. And that's not a good thing. Now, if you had more weight, let me turn that down. If you had more weight, it would actually hold you on the road better. Except when you're going around a turn, you really want to be careful that you're not going around a turn too fast, but that's just standard, be smart when you're driving in snow type, thing. So the best thing, the safest thing I can do is just stay parked. I might try to leave tomorrow. I might be staying here until after the weekend. I don't know. Today's Saturday. But you know what? I'm not going to flip this truck. I'm not going to get into an accident with this truck. This is toilet paper. Some people are just gonna be a shit out of luck. What can I say? Yeah, it's a toilet paper joke. I had to. Anyway, have a good one. Please comment, like, rate, subscribe, and see y'all on the next one. Man, my hair looks like crap.